Good morning, dear students. As we had already revised chapter 1 and 2 in previous revision videos, I had explained both the chapters again. So today what I'm going to do, I'm explaining or I'm revising chapters exercise and question answer part. Okay, so today I will revise the question answer and exercise part of both the chapters. So if you have any doubt anywhere in any question, so you can do it. Okay, so this is the exercise page of chapter 1. So first we have the fill in the blanks part. First is computer works with data and instructions. Okay, as in this chapter we have learned about different parts of computer. Okay, so we all knows that computer works on IPO cycle. Okay, and data, it takes data as input and instructions as input. Data and instructions are given as input. Next we have computer can store large amount of information. We can store a huge amount of information in the computer. It saves our data permanently and displays all the work that we done on a computer, that we do on a computer. So whatever we do on computer, we can see by monitor. We can see on the monitor. Because monitor is an output device. It is an visual output device. So whatever we type or whatever we write or whatever we do, it appears on the monitor. So it is an output device. Next is mouse is used to point, select and move any object on the monitor, because mouse is an input device and it is used to point एंड सेलेक्ट एनी ऑब्जेक्ट मीन्स ऑब्जेक्ट कुछ भी हो सकता है. कोई पिक्चर आप मूव कर रहे हैं, कोई फोल्डर फाइल आप मूव कर रहे हैं, उसे सिलेक्ट करके एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस पर शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं. तो दिस फाइल, फोल्डर, पिक्चर, एवरीथिंग इज़ कॉल्ड एन ऑब्जेक्ट कंप्यूटर में कोई भी चीज़ जो है, फाइल, फोल्डर या इमेज है, सॉन्ग्स फाइल है, जो भी है, तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एन ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, so because mouse is an input device and using mouse we can select object and we can move it from one place to another. We can select any object, we can double click on any object, we can open it. Okay, and does all the calculation and display result on the monitor. So this is the processing unit, CPU is also called the brain of computer. A monitor is also known as VDU, visual display unit. Okay, in the next page we have first we have the true and false part, and next is guess who am I. So here you have to some hints are given here in the form of questions, so you have to identify about what they are talking. So in true and false, a monitor is also known as VDU. Yes, because recently we have done in the fill in the blanks part, so it is true. Next is the output printed on a paper is known as soft copy. It is false because it is known as hard copy, not soft copy. Next is MU stands for memory unit, so it is true. The full form of MU is memory unit. Next is a CPU is made up of 4 main parts, so it is false because CPU is made up of 3 main parts: MU, memory unit, control unit, CU, and ALU, arithmetic and logical unit. Okay, so next we have guess who am I. So hints are given here. I gave output on a paper. So who gives output on a paper? So it's printer. Next is whatever you type and draw, we can see. You can see on me. Where we can see on monitor. Next is I am not afraid of a cat. Sit on a mat. Have a long tail. Can send email. So here they are explaining about the look of the device, which who doesn't afraid of cats. So it's a mouse which has a long tail. So here they are talking about mouse. I'm a part of CPU and do arithmetic calculations. So this is ALU, stands for arithmetic and logical unit, which done all the arithmetic and logical operations inside the CPU. I am the boss and control all the activities of a computer. So this is CPU, is also known as brain of computer. Application based questions we can skip because it will not the part of your PA1 exam, because they are for understanding only. So here I have mentioned the answers also, like if Mary is reading the soft copy of a letter, so which part of computer she is using. So obviously if someone is reading from computer, so obviously he is reading from the monitor, because monitor is the part from which we can see the things. So Supriya wants to do painting on a computer. Which device you will suggest her to use making colorful drawing? So we have learned about monitor, mouse. Using mouse we can make drawings on any painting software. And Saurabh's mother has asked him to take out 50 copies of birthday invitation letters. Which device he use to get the hard copy? So we knows that we get hard copy through printer. So what Saurabh can do, he can use printer for getting 50 copies of birthday invitations. Next we have the MCQs, multiple choice questions. So you have 3 options for each, like can be word, number, pictures or sound. So data can be word, number, picture, anything. And a computer displays output after processing the data. And CU control all the parts of a computer system. Here we can write CU and we can write CPU also, but in the hints only CU is given, so you should choose CU. Okay. Next, there are full forms. The full form of IPO is input process output. The full form of CU is control unit. CPU stands for central processing unit, and VDU stands for visual display unit. At the last is the question answer part. Okay, so you all have learned the question answer and you all have revised the chapters earlier. So today you can clear your doubts if you have, and you can revise it again. Next, this is the exercise of chapter 2. First we have the question fill in the blanks part here. Like the parts of computer which can be touched and seen are called hardware. The devices which are used for storing data are called storage devices, like CD, DVD, pen drive, hard disk. And the devices which gives result after processing are called output devices, like monitor, printer. A set of instructions given to the computer is called a software, and the operating system manages all over working of a computer. This is operating system is an example of system software. Next we have the true and false part. So software that can do specific type of work is called system software. It is false, because application software does the specific task. A scanner is an input device. This is true. Paint program are used for drawing. Yes, it is also true. A printer is an output device. It is also true. The devices through which we get output, we call it input device. It is false, because we get output through output devices, not input devices. And next, this is the matching part. There you have to match the correct option, like input devices. Out of these you have to read the options and you have to match these accordingly. Like input devices, which one is the input device? So keyboard. And data means numbers and this symbol plus sign. So this is the example of data. Storage device is hard disk, hardware is printer, and software is songs. Okay, and this is the question answer part. Here we have application based question and one word answers also. So as an application, you can see Kabir sings a song and records in a computer. So which device did he use? So we know that we can record sound using microphone. And Sheila draws a greeting card using a specific software. So which type of software she is using? She is using application software, or you can write the name of Paint also, MS Paint or any painting software. So next one word answer is a device which is commonly seen in video parlors for playing games. So it's joystick, which is specially used for playing games. A device that is used to record our voice and other sound in computer is called microphone. Recently we done in application based questions. Third is a device that can read words, pictures or numbers from paper and store them into computer. So it is a scanner. Using a scanner we can scan any document, either it is letter, it is picture or anything we can scan, and it stores that scanned copy into the computer system. The device which is used to hear sound is called speaker. Okay, and last is the question answer part. So what is software? Is a group of instructions given to the computer. It's called a software, and there are two types of software: system software and application software. What is a storage device? Give any two names. So you can write any two name. I have mentioned hard disk and CD. You can write pen drive, hard disk or DVD also. So the devices which are used for storing data are called storage devices. So third question is, what do we call the hardware device which are used to enter word, numbers on picture? So the devices through which we enter all these types of input are called input devices. Okay, input devices means keyboard, mouse, scanner. Okay, here we cannot write about keyboard only because they are talking about pictures also. So using keyboard we cannot enter pictures, and using mouse we cannot enter pictures. So we can enter pictures using scanner. So here you should write input devices. We cannot mention any particular device name. Next is, which application software is used for typing and making correction in the text? So it's WordPad. It is an application software. Name the program used for performing calculations. So it's calculator. Calculator is a program inside computer that we can use for making calculations. Okay, so here we have revised all the exercise and question answer part again. So prepare it well and be ready for the test.